You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome, listener. We're here to cut through the tech chatter, grabbing the latest insights and key facts you need. Today, we're looking at data tech, infrastructure, and what's happening with AI. I'm your host from The Vocal Technologist, ready to get into it.
Definitely. And we've got quite a mix today. Analyses, opinions, launches, you name it. The goal really is to pull out what truly matters for understanding, modern data stacks and where things are heading.
Okay, let's jump right in. There's this ongoing thing about Apache Spark. People often say it's, slow. Now, it's super versatile, right? Like a great multi-tool, does tons of stuff. But maybe for one specific job, like OLAP on columnar data, that unified design means it gets outpaced by specialized tools like Trino or Snowflake.
Yeah, that perception exists. But what's really interesting is Spark isn't inherently slow. It's more about how it gets optimized. There are things like the Catalyst Extensions API, solutions built on that, like Databricks Photon or Apache Gluten. They can essentially turn Spark into a pure vectorized engine.
Ah, okay. So they plug into it.
Exactly. They leverage frameworks like VeloxDB, maybe ClickHouse, and you get these huge performance boosts. And you also see things like DuckDB popping up, especially for local analytics. Super fast. Startups love it.
Right.
So the real point for you listening isn't just Spark slow fast. It's about choosing the tool and crucially optimizing it. Context is everything.
That makes a lot of sense. A different way to think about it. And speaking of different ways, storage is another area seeing big shifts. Apache Iceberg feels like a genuine game changer.
Oh, absolutely.
It's this metadata-driven table format. You write data once, right, from object storage.
Right once.
And then you can query with all sorts of engines.
Yeah.
Trino, Polars, DuckDB, Spark.
Pretty much anything.
But the really neat parts are things like hidden partitioning, time travel snapshots, and schema evolution. That UK housing demo was wild, adding columns without rewrites.
It's huge. And if you connect that to the bigger picture, Iceberg enables things like zero-copy analytics. Makes pipeline maintenance way simpler.
Zero copy. That saves a lot of hassle.
A ton. Look at Pinterest. They use Iceberg with Ray for their ML stuff. Got like a 10x speed up in iteration time. That's real impact.
Wow, 10x.
Yeah. And you see similar ideas elsewhere, like Scrouts using Debezium for real-time schema changes in Redshift. It's all about building in flexibility, agility.
Flexibility seems key, but sometimes chasing more data creates its own headaches, right? Like over-instrumentation.
Oh, definitely. The hidden cost.
You end up tracking everything, and suddenly you've got metric sprawl, just piles of digital junk almost.
Exactly. It wastes engineering time, makes validation harder. It's just noise.
So how do you avoid that trap?
Well, the key is treating instrumentation like a product itself. Have clear goals for metrics, document your events properly, and importantly, do regular cleanups maybe quarterly. Get rid of unused stuff. Get analysts involved early, too.
Good hygiene, basically.
Right. And while we're talking data health, it's worth quickly distinguishing, data integrity, accuracy, consistency, using checks from data security, which is about protection, encryption, access control. Both vital but different jobs.
Understood. Two sides of the same coin. Okay, so managing data smartly is crucial, especially with AI ramping up. And that brings us to AI agents talking to each other. Google just donated something called Agent-to-Agent A2A protocol to the Linux Foundation. What's the story there?
Yeah, that's significant. The goal is basically to create a standard way for AI agents, even from different frameworks, to talk and work together, interoperability.
So like building blocks for future AI collaboration.
Precisely. Think of it as laying the groundwork. You've got major players backing this: AWS, Cisco, Salesforce, that's pushing for open standards, trying to avoid vendor lock-in. The big idea is to speed up cross-agent collaboration, making integrated AI solutions easier to build and scale.
Interesting. Setting the stage for more complex AI systems. So we've journeyed from Spark performance nuances and the evolution with Iceberg to smarter data management, and now a peek at future AI communication. As always, we try to pull out those practical insights for you.
And maybe a final thought to leave you with. Reflecting on all this, where are the biggest chances for you to apply these ideas? Could you simplify something? Maybe eliminate one redundant metric you're tracking? Or is there a key insight you're missing that, say, Iceberg or better agent communication could unlock?
Good questions to ponder. Keep that curiosity going. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time on The Vocal Technologist.
Spoken tech for your ears.